Hello Virgo, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star, and welcome to your reading. So Virgo, this is your reading for the month of June, and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa, and time is fluid. In this reading, Virgo will see what is your energy, what you need to know, what are the general messages, and what are the love messages you need to know. Okay, there is an extended reading for this one. Link for the same is in description box and comment section. In the extended, we'll see uh, what your person truly thinks and feels about you, an action they will take towards you, and likely conclusion between you and this person. Okay. If you're interested in personal reading with me, you can get in touch with me over the mail. The details of the same are in description box and comment section. Right? Okay. So let's get started now. We have Knight of Cups, Six of Cups, the Five of Cups, lot of cup cards, Virgo. Four of Cups, interesting. The Wheel of Fortune, the Justice, Seven of Cups, Four, Five, Six, Seven Cups, Two of Cups, Three of Cups is not there. Bottom of the deck, King of Pentacles. You might be dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Especially, I'm hearing Pisces. You might be dealing with Sagittarius, Libra, uh, Taurus. Number six is of some importance. Number five is of some importance. 11 is of some importance. You might see a lot of 11, 11, 2, 2, 2, 5, 5, 5. If the sign or the number pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs, okay? We'll talk about the overall messages, overall theme for the month of June. Then we'll move on towards the love messages, and then at the fag end, we'll talk about career and finances. Because there is a very strong presence of cup cards over here, and the ending card is also two of cups card. The last card that I pulled out was two of cups. I do feel like this is a month where you are going to experience variety of emotions, okay, and especially more of positive emotions, love, care, concern, feeling happy, feeling joyful, okay. There will be times where you might even experience certain emotions where you will feel slightly bogged down. Okay. But, like I said, the positive emotions are going to be way more than any other challenging emotions that you might experience. So the focus is more towards emotions for the month of June. All right. So let's move towards your love messages. Let's see what do we have for your love life for the month of June. I do see by the end of the June you're going to be very happy when it comes to your love life. Okay. For some of you, you're either moving on and finding a person of your choice, a new person of your choice. You're getting into a connection with a new person. While others of you, I do feel like you're definitely reconciling with someone from the past. See, one of the reasons I am telling you that for some of you at least, there is someone from the past that is coming towards you. First of all, because I see that you also want, I'm talking about not all of you, some of you want to reconcile with the past person. You are trying to manifest the past person consciously, subconsciously. Okay, and the past person also wants you. The past person also wants to reconcile. The past person is also thinking a lot about you. In fact, the past person is missing you a lot, thinking about you a lot if they have done something wrong to you, regretting their actions a lot. And more than that, I do see a very strong soulmate connection over here. That soulmate connection is actually bringing both of you together again and again. Okay, despite the fights and differences and whatever is happening between both of you, that soulmate connection is bringing both of you together again and again. There is some sort of a soul contract in this lifetime, at least for some of you. And that soul contract is not yet over. There is unfinished business between both of you. So you can expect the past person coming towards you and with an apology. Okay, expression of love is going to happen. They will tell you that I am missing you so much. I was going crazy without you. I was looking out for you everywhere. Okay, and give me a chance to rectify the situation. I'm not liking this that we are not talking. I'm not liking this that there is so much of silence between both of us. I'm not liking that we are not even looking eye to eye. Okay, this is not something that I had envisioned. I had envisioned a happy relationship between both of us. I had envisioned getting married, coming together, having a very happy, positive relationship, and having kids. This is again applicable to uh, whoever wants to have kids. And I think so. This person is going to do a lot of emotional talk, especially. I mean, it's coming from the bottom of their heart. It is not something that they are doing it just for the sake of doing it. It's not that they are trying to blackmail you emotionally just to get a consent from you. No, they are doing it from the bottom of their heart. Whatever they are gonna say, they will be meaning. Okay, they will mean that. So for some of you, I do feel like there is a reconciliation with the past person that is happening. For others of you, you have moved on and you're like, I don't want the past, I'm moving on, I want someone else, I want a better person. And whoever is trying to move on, yes, you're going to find that. I do feel like when it comes to love life and how you want to feel emotionally, your manifestations are your manifestation powers are very strong in that area. Like, if you decide that this is how I want to feel in the month of June, okay, if you decide like, if I move on and then I will be more happy, you will manifest that feeling, right? So if you feel like you're going to be happy by only by moving on, only by finding someone new in your life rather than going back to the past person, that new situation you'll manifest a new person because you feel like you will be happy by moving on. So how you want to feel emotionally will make a huge difference in the month of June. If you're feeling like going back to the person, having a conversation with the past person will make me happy, spending time with the past person will make me happy, you're manifesting the comeback of the past person. So how you feel, again I'm repeating, how you feel in the month of June, or how you want to feel in the month of June, that will decide the outcome, especially when it comes to your love life. Okay. So for many of you, I do feel like moving on is something that is there on your mind, and you will be going out on dates. You will be exploring options. You will be talking to a lot of people. You will find yourself on dating apps, a variety of dating apps. Okay. And ultimately, that is going to result into a union with someone. Again, the new person also looks like a fated person for you. The divine is trying to bring both of you together, right? However, I also feel like this is going to be a very highly emotionally satisfying love, where you will feel like there is an equal give and take, where you will don't have to worry about, oh, I am the only one who's contributing and the other person is not doing enough. Okay, you won't find yourself sulking in the corner and complaining like, oh, you're not doing this, you're not doing that, I'm the only one who is doing everything, I'm the responsible person. No, I think so. You won't be complaining. There is going to be this equal give and take. You're going to find that responsible person, and that is that is going to give you that emotional stability. Like finally I am into a connection which will bring that emotional stability that I'm looking out for in a connection, right? So that's what I see. For some of you, it is likely that you're attracting a younger person. Okay. I'm hearing if it's a younger person, then that person will be younger than you by at least 5 6 years. Or this might be a young looking person or someone with a very youthful energy. And the possibility of having kids with this person is very high. I mean, even if you are in your whatever your age is, 40s, 50s, someone is becoming pregnant. You might have given up this idea of becoming a mom or a dad. Someone is becoming pregnant over here. Okay, for others of you whoever want to have kids, yes, you will definitely have kids with this person. But for some of you who has given up on this idea of wanting to be a mom or dad, it's likely that the divine has some different plans for you. Okay. And I also see that this person will have a very stable, financially stable or financially abundant background. This person might come from a rich family. That's what I'm getting. But you will get to know about their rich background after a long time. Not after a long time, but after some time. This person will not, they will not try to hide it from you, but whoever you're dealing with is very humble, is very down to earth. Okay, they don't like to flash their wealth. That's what I'm hearing. Okay. And also they are very careful because they probably have met a lot of gold diggers, so they don't want to attract people just because they have wealth in their life. Okay, so this person is very cautious in that in their approach. Okay, this you're also dealing with someone who likes to take care of their health. Okay, likes to maintain themselves physically. All right, so let's see what you need to know regarding your finances and your career for the month of June. What do you need to know regarding your finances and your career for the month of June, Virgo? Two of Swords, the Chariot. Okay, so if at all there is any kind of uncertainty, okay, you'll find yourself moving away from that uncertainty regarding any kind of decision that you wanted to make. Okay, say for example you wanted to switch a career, and if you were contemplating regarding that since a very long time, finally in the month of June you will be able to decide that. And whatever decisions you take related to your career, related to your business job, especially I feel business and your side hustles or something of that sort, it's going to give you a lot of money, lot of money. Or probably for some of you, I'm also hearing that you might sell off your residential properties and you're going to make the profits that you're going to make money at you're going to make profits at a hell lot of premium amount. Okay, you're going to sell it off at a hell lot of premium amount, so insane amount of profits are coming towards you. Yeah, I'm also hearing that for some of you, you're becoming millionaires for the first time. I mean, you will have the liquid cash in your bank account, $1 million or multi-million dollars in your bank account, owing to the sale of this property. For some of you, inheritance is coming towards you, and that is also going to relieve you of a lot of financial burden. Six of Wands. Some sort of, I'm hearing some sort of awards and rewards are coming towards you, or a certain recognition is coming towards you, which is going to increase your popularity more. Okay, I also feel a lot of respect is coming towards you, probably because you have achieved a certain threshold. Three of Pentacles, I'm getting Three of Pentacles a lot for almost all the zodiac signs. Partnerships will prove to be very important. Okay, also make sure that when you're signing any kind of agreements, you are taking care of the necessary cautions. Okay, you're going through the terms and conditions very well and not just signing any contract blindly. Yeah, again, the Strength. You're becoming a powerful version. in the world of business. You're becoming a very powerful personality in the world of business. That's what I'm hearing. All right, I hope this resonates. Hit like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Till then, take care. Have a great time. And bye bye, guys. This is your spread. Okay, Virgo, this is your spread. Take care and bye.